Your PS5 is stuck on the loading screen after an update, and you are trapped in a loop of frustration. Don't worry, because we are going to get you back to your games right now. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. This usually happens when update files get corrupted, or the system cache hits a snag during the installation process. It is common but very fixable with the right steps. Step 1 is a forced restart. Hold down the power button on the front of the console for at least 10 seconds until the system completely shuts off. Wait a moment and then turn it back on to see if it bypasses the logo. Step 2 is the power cycle method. Unplug the power cable from the wall for 3 full minutes. This clears the temporary memory and forces the hardware to initialize the update from scratch once you plug it back in. Step 3 is booting into safe mode. While the console is off, hold the power button until you hear a second beep about 7 seconds in. Connect your controller via a USB cable to navigate the menu. Step 4 is to clear the system software cache. Select option 5 in safe mode and then choose Clear System Software Cache. This removes junk files that often cause the loading screen to hang. Step 5 is rebuilding the database. Also found in option 5 of safe mode, this process reorganizes your hard drive. It fixes corrupted paths without deleting your games or personal save data. Step 6 is changing the video output. Sometimes an update messes with the HDR or resolution settings. Select Change Video Output in safe mode and set it to a lower resolution to see if the screen finally loads. Step 7 involves updating the system software again. If the initial update failed, select Update System Software in safe mode and choose the option to update using the internet. This will pull a fresh, clean version of the firmware. Step 8 is to disconnect all USB accessories. Unplug your external hard drives, camera, or charging docks. Sometimes the PS5 tries to read these devices during boot up and gets stuck in a hardware check. Step 9 is to try a different internet connection. If the update is partially verified, switching from Wi-Fi to a wired LAN cable can provide the stability the console needs to finish the handshake process. Step 10 is the final option, which is resetting your PS5. Select Reset PS5 in safe mode to reinstall the system software entirely. This will wipe the drive, so only do this if nothing else has worked. For a bonus pro tip, try logging in through the PlayStation mobile app while your console is on the loading screen. Occasionally, pushing a start game command from your phone can force the console to break out of the frozen loading cycle. If you are still facing any difficulty or getting a specific error code, leave a comment below. I will be checking the comments and I will reply to you within 1 hour. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more quick fixes. You are just a few clicks away from gaming again, so stay calm and let's get it done.